Hi friends! Today we're going to work on blending some sounds and making some words. We might make a real word or a nonsense word. So let's see. I'm going to show you how we're going to work on this together. When I put my hand over a letter, together we're going to make the sound the letter makes. So if I put my hand over this B here, we're going to say B. And I'm going to move along in the word. E says eh, and ST says st. So I have B. Eh, st. When I swipe over the word, we're going to put all the sounds together and make the word. So let's try together. We have b, eh, st, best. Good job. So you're going to follow along with me as we make some words. Here we go. Let's try the next one. Ch, eh, st, chest. Very good. Ch, ah, st, chast. Ch, ast, chast. Ch, ift, chift. Nice work. We're making some funny words, aren't we? Okay, we have a blend up here now. Stir, stir. Ift, strift. Stir, ft, struffed. We have a vowel team showing up here. Let's see what word this makes. Stir, eft, streeft. Good work. Eft, deeft. Oaked, doked. They're getting trickier. Spur, ache, sprake. What if I put an ending on this word? If I put a suffix right here, which is an ending part of a word that can impact the meaning of the word. I could also take it off, and I have the word I'm working with, but I could put it on, and I'm still working with the same word, but it might impact the meaning just a bit. So we have the word, before we put the suffix on, we had the word spur, ache. When we add the suffix, we turn that word into spur, ache, ing, spraking. Sounds like the word raking, but a little different, doesn't it? Good, let's try one more. Ing, thrucking. Nice job. We're going to try some different vowel sounds now that you've been working with. Some bossy R's are in here. So let's keep going and see what we can make. Let's look at this word. Burr. Ooh, remember ER makes that sound also. So we actually are making the same word with some different letters. We have burr. Bar, bar. Day. Der. Proy. Let's try one more. Sure. Nice work. Before we end today, we're going to look at some of our consonant LE sounds that we've been working with. And then we're going to wrap up. You've done a fabulous job. Let's just remind ourselves of something called an open or closed vowel sound. So if I had no consonant here, this vowel would be considered an open vowel. There's nothing closing it in. There's nothing here. And so because it's an open vowel sound, this vowel is going to say its name. So this word would be the word bee. If I closed the vowel in by putting another consonant after it, now this vowel is going to be a short vowel sound. So we would have the word b-e-b, beb. So see the difference? Long vowel sound, b-e-b. When I close that vowel in, I get the short vowel sound, b-eb, beb. So we're going to make some short vowel, closed in consonant LE words first. So here we have b-eb, bull, bebble. Good job. Remember our short vowel says it's makes the short vowel sound because it's closed in by a consonant. So when I take the consonant LE off, I know that it's a short vowel sound. So let's try another one. Let's try full, beffle. Toll, bottle. We have a real word finally coming out here, right? Okay, and the last one we're going to do with our short vowel sound, with our closed in vowel sound, is the word bopple. Bopple. Nice work. Now we're going to practice just a few open vowel or long vowel sounds. So when I take my consonant LE off, look what I have here. I have an open vowel. So this sound is b-o, bow. So let's see what sounds and words we make now with an open vowel sound. So here I have the word, my vowel's not closed in, so I have the word b-o, pull, bopal. Ch-acle, chakel. Ch-ibel, chibel. Good work today, friends. You made a lot of funny words.